Hello everybody, my name is Nolan with BMW of Lafayette, and today I'll be demonstrating how to use the BMW Personal Assistant on our BMW i7. Let's hop inside. First, you'll need to log in to your BMW ID. Once you've done that, the Personal Assistant is ready for use. The Personal Assistant can be used to control various functions throughout the vehicle, including starting the navigation system. For example, hello BMW, take me to the nearest charging station.
Just a moment. I am compiling the results.
The rear seat of the i7 is a great place to spend time, and rear seat occupants can also take advantage of the Personal Assistant. The Personal Assistant can also identify from where in the vehicle somebody is speaking. For example, hello BMW, close my door. Thank you. Rear seat passengers can also use a variety of commands such as, hello BMW, activate my massage.
Okay, I will activate your downward massage.
Very nice. Or, hello BMW, turn on the radio. Now you've seen how the BMW Personal Assistant can be used throughout the vehicle. Hello BMW, do you have any Grey Poupon?